Let me show you how to get to and watch a video of one of the lectures you've registered for. To begin, go to the FAU OLLI website and log in with your patron account. Once you're logged in, select the yellow View Video on Demand button. The next screen will show you all of the programs you've registered for. Select the gray button to the right of the lecture you'd like to watch. Next, you'll see the opening screen of your video. Select the white triangle in the middle to start the video. It may take a moment to load, especially if it's during peak viewing times. Typically, early morning is the best time to watch. Now let's take a look at the video console controls. Here on the bottom left is the play/pause button. Next to that we have rewind, which can be selected multiple times. The next selection is to speed up or slow down the video. Mute and volume control can be found here in the center. Just select the icon to mute or unmute the sound and drag the circle to raise or lower the volume. To switch which screen is on top, select the button with the two arrows in the upper right as shown here. Select the button below that to hide the smaller screen. If you'd like to open the screen in a new window, select the small square with the arrow that's located in the bottom right. Lastly, select the four arrows facing out to show what you're viewing full screen. Select the Escape key on your keyboard to exit full screen. Give it a try and happy viewing!